Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style Shahi Paneer, but this has a twist. As I have made this for Navratri, this uses no onion or garlic, and this is a healthier version as this uses no cream or cashews. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So to make the paneer super soft, I have added 200 grams of paneer pieces into warm salt water. Keep it like so for a few minutes. Then in a blender jar take 10 soaked and peeled almonds, 1.5 teaspoon of poppy seeds or posta, 1.5 teaspoon of melon seeds or charmagaz and 1 tablespoon of water. Blend it smooth, transfer to a bowl and keep it aside. Then in the same blender jar add 3 tomatoes, 1 inch ginger, 1 green chilli and 1 red chilly. Also add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, blend and make a paste. Now in a pan heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To that add the prepared tomato paste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the color changes. Then add salt as per taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything well and cook till it separates from the pan. Our spices are well cooked now. Add 1 tablespoon of water and give it a mix. Then add the almond paste. Give it a mix and cook for a minute. Then add 1 teaspoon of Kasoori Methi and give it a mix. Now squeeze excess water from the paneer and add them. Mix the paneer well with the masala. Then add half cup of milk and mix. So here instead of cream I am using milk. Add half cup of water and give it a mix. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and few chopped coriander leaves. Give it a final mix and turn off the heat. And a delicious restaurant style Shahi Paneer is ready now. Serve it hot with chapati or rice. This tastes so good. Instead of cashews I have used almonds here, but the taste is so similar to that. It's not much different, and this recipe is so quick and easy and also healthy. So this Navratri do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.